Hey, what's up guys? The Appliance Plug here, sharing with you the latest and greatest on appliances. And today, I want to tell you about a refrigerator that not only is making a comeback for the side-by-side refrigerator category, but is nothing short of amazing. Alright, before I get started, if you want to keep up with the latest and greatest on appliances, including tips and how-to videos, subscribe to our channel and feel free to comment anything you want to learn about. Now, the refrigerator I'm referring to that is nothing short of amazing is the LG model number LR-SOS2706S. This particular model is featured in the print-proof stainless steel finish with the flat panel design and pocket handles. First off, I'll point out, I want you to just really glance at this refrigerator. What's really awesome about this setup is that it gives you the feel and look of a four-door refrigerator, yet it's being a side-by-side, it allows for a lot more space inside. And as you can see here, this is the panel that LG features for their InstaView, and with a simple double knock, allows you to be able to see inside the refrigerator. What I really love about this particular InstaView feature on this model is that on other LG refrigerators, usually the LCD screen is surrounded by stainless steel. However, this one, as you can see, it's glass for the entire panel and just really gives it a much more elegant look. And I love that about how they designed this particular InstaView feature. Now, moving on, as you can see, it's got the filtered ice and water dispenser. And what's unique about this dispenser is it includes a UV nanotechnology that aids in keeping the nozzle clean. So it keeps it worry-free for you. And finally, one of the things I like to point out is to continue with the sleek and clean design, they actually make the box of the refrigerator in gray. So it just continues that same elegant look. All right, before I show you the inside of this refrigerator, I want to let you know that it's not only ENERGY STAR qualified, but it's also equipped with the Thin Q technology, which will allow you to control key features anytime, anywhere. Now check out this view. This refrigerator is 27.1 cubic feet, with the refrigerator side being 17.5 and the freezer side being 9.6. It's also equipped with the Cool Guard metal panels in the back here that not only allow the refrigerator to maintain its chill, but also add a cool pro style look. Additionally, this refrigerator has the door cooling plus feature, which essentially, and it's on both sides, in the refrigerator side as well as the freezer side, and these are vents that shoot blasts of cool air in through the door, which will allow to maintain the door components to stay cool, but it also just allows the air to distribute evenly among the different shelves and components within the refrigerator. Now, my favorite part of this refrigerator is that it's equipped with a dual ice maker. So you have your standard ice maker here that is right here, and it stores the ice in this compartment and produces your cubed ice, which then can also be crushed. And then it also has the craft ice maker right here that stores the craft ice in this compartment right here. So this refrigerator is absolutely amazing for hosting, giving you the best of both worlds. This refrigerator, I can't say it enough, has definitely made my top favorite refrigerators, and just the overall, from the features and the style, it's one of the best I've seen. I really hope this video helps. If so, please give it a like and subscribe for more.